Now, tell me if you've heard this expression before. The market is hot. It's probably beating a dead horse to just simply say that it's a seller's market and prices continue to climb and skyrocket. The market is super competitive and it's forcing prices to go higher and higher. Here in Orange County, California, where I reside, where I sell primarily, the median home price is now officially $1 million. Insane, but also not surprising with the limit of inventory. Now, it may not surprise you to hear this, but not all houses are equal and not all houses are worth $1 million. Obvious, but in this HGTV generation, which is my generation, the millennials, we expect turnkey move-in ready. As a matter of fact, 70% of millennials that are surveyed would say they would give up living space for a move-in ready house, which is insane, but also not surprising given what we see when we look at shows like Flip or Flop, Property Brothers, where you see these beautifully designed, intricately woven houses that are updated top to bottom. Now, if you look around your house, and I'm talking to you as the homeowner, and you do an assessment, top to bottom, outside, inside, do you believe your home is worth top dollar if you were to sell it right now? I'm sure some of you will nod and say, oh yeah, I've definitely put the time and the money in to make it valuable if I sell it. For others, you probably know the answer is no. And that's probably because it takes time, it takes money, and to be honest, it takes a little bit of know-how and expertise. If you don't have the ability to do that, your home is probably sitting the way it is. Kitchen probably needs an update. The bathroom is probably stuck in the 90s. Have you updated your roof? And what about the curb appeal? When someone drives up to your house, do they want to see the inside because the outside is so inviting? The answer is no to all of those questions. Then you should consider this resource from a partner that I work with. The company's name is Revive. They are experienced contractors and real estate investors themselves that work with sellers to help them get top dollar on their house by investing in the most important projects in the house that give you a high return of value. Now, the value proposition here is they work with me, and then we work with homeowners that know they need updates in the house, and they will actually do the renovations and remodeling up front with no expected cost from you for the initial part of the journey. So they come in, they do the projects to update your house, things like your kitchen, your master bedroom and bath, updating the landscaping, the painting, all of the things that will give a high return on your house, and you do not have to pay out of pocket. Once the project is done, we put it on the market, we sell it for top dollar, and then they recoup their costs. Everyone's happy. You get more money at the end of this. I get a great commission. And more importantly, we are able to help you compete with the other houses that are hitting the market right now and selling for insane amounts of money. It's a pretty straightforward process. Started off by having a conversation with me, and we can determine whether or not this will be a good fit for initial conversation, consultation with Revive. I will leave my information in video and website for Revive. You can take a look, but forward this to anyone that you know, or again, if you're considering it yourself, please feel free to reach out. I'll talk to you soon.